In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Salesforce lead into a person account. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in a straightforward and approachable manner. Let's begin by logging into your Salesforce account and heading to the home page. We'll start there because it's a familiar launching point for navigating the platform. Once you're on the home page, look for the App Launcher icon. You can find it easily at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on the App Launcher gives you quick access to all the apps available in Salesforce. This icon is your gateway to the various functionalities Salesforce has to offer, so keep it in mind for future tasks as well. Next, we want to navigate to the Leads section. So once you've clicked on the App Launcher, simply type Leads into the search bar and click on it from the drop-down list. This will take you to a list of all the leads you've accumulated. Scroll through the list and choose a lead that you want to convert. Once you've determined the lead you're focusing on, click on it to open up the lead details. This detailed view gives you more comprehensive information about that particular lead, allowing you to make more informed decisions as you move forward. Now, let's take action. In the detailed view page of your chosen lead, you'll notice a Convert button. Click on it to start the process of converting your lead into an account. This is where things get a little more interesting. You'll be presented with a screen showing different options under Create New or Choose Existing. Each of these options allows you to guide how the lead will transform into an account or contact. When you click on Create New Account, you're starting a fresh account with the lead's information. This is typically used if the lead is genuinely new to your organization and has no existing relationships. Alternatively, selecting Choose Existing Account allows you to associate the lead with an account already present in your Salesforce environment. This can be useful if the lead is merely a continuation of an ongoing partnership. Following that, repeat the same consideration for your contact. The Create New Contact option is for situations where you're developing a new contact within the account, while Choose Existing Contact allows for merging the lead's details with an already established contact. We also have opportunities to consider. You can create a new opportunity through the Create New Opportunity option to explore new potential revenue with the lead, or attach them to a pre-existing opportunity using the Choose Existing Opportunity option. After you've set your preferences for accounts, contacts, and opportunities, all that's left is to click the Convert button. This final action will transform your lead into a comprehensive person account, updating all the relevant fields and records. There you have it. You've successfully converted a Salesforce lead into a person account. With these steps, you can now manage your leads more effectively and make the most out of Salesforce's powerful CRM capabilities. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.